All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 10 of December Daily Math. Number 1, write a 3-digit number with a 0 in the tens place. So we go hundreds, tens, ones, a 0 in the tens place, that's this one. This, just make sure it's not a 0, right? So we have to have it as a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Let's go 7. And let's do this as a 2. For fun, 702. You may have something different. It's okay. As long as you have a 0 here, and this is not a 0, you're good to go. Write this number using words. So let's just say it again, 702. So there's our 7. We're going to write 7. 700. We don't have any like teens or 20s or 50s because it's a 0. So it's just plain old 702. Okay? Now, if you're wondering how to spell some of those, if you have different numbers and you're like, oh, I just can't remember, remember to check that piece of paper on the back of your blue folder because that has a lot of answers on it for you. Okay, number 3, how many in all? Write an addition equation. So we're going to say, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 10, 15. So we can go 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. We could go 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes equals 15. Either one, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, or that way. Okay? Repeated addition. Now, if you remember, the repeated addition is really our beginning to multiplication. That's basically what it is. Multiplication is just a shortcut for that, okay? All right. Count back. It looks like it's just counting back by ones, doesn't it? So a 500, you have 65, 64, 63, very good. 62, 562, 561, 560. What's 1 less than 60? 59. So 559, 558, 557, and 556. So it should go 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. If Taco naps 6 hours a day, how many hours does Taco nap in 2 days? Well, I see how many. Underline that right away and circle hours. So Taco naps 6 hours a day in 2 days. Okay, so for day number 1, he's napping 6 hours. And day number 2, he naps 6 hours. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 hours, there's my label, 12 hours, right? So we have 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right, boys and girls, great job on day 10. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 11.